Yo guys, welcome back. Yeah, I'm making this video. It's currently Wednesday today. Time is 12:16 p.m. So yeah, did my Uber Eats order. I just delivered McDonald's, and yeah, I'm in Yorkville again. Yeah, it was pouring heavy rain, but now it's stopped. But I'm pretty sure as I go back to my neighborhood, it might start raining again. There's clouds all over the place. It could rain at any moment. It is sunny a little bit, but it's also very cloudy. But yeah. Yeah, this delivery was kind of weird. My customer said, there was a message that said, when you arrive, call me. Like, what's the point of calling? Like, what's the point? Why can't I just ring your doorbell and meet you at the door? Why do I have to dial your number? I don't know. I did it anyways. I called her just because, I'd rather just follow their rules, their orders that they want to do. I don't want to get reported. And it was like a white lady on the phone. Well, judging by her voice. But I opened the door and this like black person opened the door. It was interesting. Like, no, he's not her husband or anything like that. He looks my age but the lady was white over the phone and she sounded like a mother. It was weird. But yeah. I gave him the McDonald's and yeah. All right. Let's be on my way now. I'll do another order if there's a good one. If not, I'm just gonna go home.
Continuous recording will now start.
Like, how is it sunny right now? It was just pouring rain like 10 minutes ago. Crazy weather. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I'll premiere this video probably. I feel a bit weird today. I'm like, my nose is a little bit runny. Hopefully I don't get sick. I just feel a little off today. But it's like very mild. I'm sure it's nothing. Maybe I'm not even sick at all. That happens to me a lot, but it ends up me not being sick. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym today to work out and go swimming. And it's okay. I'm still gonna go swimming today. I don't actually feel sick. I don't have a sore throat. Just kind of this like a little runny nose and like this weird feeling. Really weird, but super, super mild feeling in my throat. It's probably nothing. Even if I do end up getting sick, whatever. It is what it is. Fuck! Like, I'm trying to leave, and I'm just going in like a maze. Like, what is this place? I'm trying to leave. I was going the direction like towards home, but it took me somewhere completely different. Like, come on. Let's just make a right turn, whatever. Oh my goodness, when I picked up McDonald's earlier, I was stuck waiting for such a long time. I had to make a left turn, and I had to yield to cars on my left and right. It was brutally annoying. When that happens to me, I just like to call the road a circus. I just call the road a circus when that happens to me, like when I'm waiting for a really long time and I can't go because I have to yield to a shit ton of people. Then yeah, I just say like what a circus this road is. But yeah, I'll probably premiere this video. I'll set this video as a premiere. I don't know when though. Holy shit, those clouds are really dark. Jeez, that guy was so fucking close. I had to go around him a little bit. What the fuck? Yeah, I love my job, honestly. It gets boring, but at least it's like straightforward and easy. I like being self-employed, you know. Being like an independent contractor is nice. When you don't have a boss, you don't have a schedule, you can just work whenever you want. I fucking love that. I'm my own boss, you know? I love that. That fucking asshole from March of 2023, when I got that construction job, he didn't even fucking train me. He didn't even assist me when I had questions. And then fired me and made it seem like I'm at fault. Like, you didn't even fucking assist or train me, you fucking prick. Ooh, just because I have my own business. Fuck you. Fuck you. Should have never even worked for that guy. It's all my dad's fault, because he, like... My dad, like, knew some guy or whatever who kind of like helped me get the job. He didn't even help me. I'm the one who had to call his boss and say, oh, I know this guy. Fucking mistake. Should have never even worked there. Like, don't fucking hire someone to do construction if you're not even gonna assist them if they just have a question. Fucking pathetic moron. Horrible management. Well, whatever, that's the past. I'm just glad I'm not there anymore. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Yeah, I gotta wait here for a while. Why are no, like, orders popping up? That's weird. I think the Uber app is, like, closed. Ah, shit. That kinda sucks. I didn't sleep that well, guys. I think I only fell asleep at like almost 4 a.m. and I got up like early too. I don't know, I couldn't sleep. I just feel kind of shitty. Yeah. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll just end the video right now, even before I get home, just because the fucking Uber app exited me out, and I'd rather just go online right now so I don't miss an order. Yeah. Right when it hits 10 minutes, I'm quitting. Okay, yeah, 10 minutes. Alright, see ya, guys. Bye. I'll premiere this.